Vox Nutrition is set apart just because of the transparency and be that dedicated partner that our customers need in order to be successful.
It's really special if a customer wants to be set apart from other companies in the industry. They can design their own products here with us.
Our facility is impressive, and it's rewarding to represent such a high quality facility that is so committed to integrity and transparency through the entire process.
Sometimes I need to reach out to them to give them updates about their custom formulas, and it doesn't matter what the status is. I try to be as honest as possible.
It really gives me a unique understanding of how Vox works, and it's been great watching us evolve and become the great company that we are today.
I love working with customers, specifically all over the world. I've been working in this position for 2 years. It's been unique because we get to work with customers that have never jumped into the space before, along with some of the largest supplement providers in the country, as well as internationally.
Quality is our top priority. So we have definitely turned away ingredients that did not meet our specs because they were not going to be the best of the best. So unless it's the best, it's not going to be here at Vox Nutrition.
The way that we cater to our customers is something that sets us apart from other manufacturers in the industry. I've received that feedback numerous times from clients that I work with. Response times to getting their needs fulfilled in a timely manner is something that I receive feedback on that Vox excels in compared to other manufacturers. So that's the first thing that comes to mind for me.
Vox Nutrition is really inclusive. You could see all the departments, how we have different type of race groups, ethnic groups, or sexual orientation. I feel this company really helps everyone to feel like they're at home.
Vox has really put a lot of effort and fostered an incredible culture with a lot of team communication and collaboration, and that keeps me feeling very connected while being in a different state.
We are a happy family here.
I don't know how to explain it really, but family.
We have a good time. I mean, that's one of the things that I enjoy most about the job is the people that I work with.
It's probably one of my favorite parts working for Vox. It's definitely a team-centric environment.
What I like specifically about working in sales is mostly the collaborative aspect.
Everyone takes on different roles and tries to help the customer as quickly and efficiently as possible.
I think we have bonded so much over the different obstacles that this industry can throw at you naturally and how much Vox Nutrition has developed over time.
The thing about Vox's sales team is we all really care about each other and we all really care about the customers. So we like to really lean on each other and support each other through all the challenges that come up every day.
We help each other all the time. We're there for each other. And if anyone is in need, we would step out.
I always can ask my team members for help, or if they know more information than I do, then I can relay that to the customer.
I have the most amazing team. They're always just a phone call or a message away. Everyone is very responsive and we help each other out.
We have really good banter. There's never a dull moment.
So the fact that we're able to rely on each other and we're all cross-trained and able to help each other in any way we can, it's not so competitive to where we're not able to step in when someone else is out of the office or might not really understand or get a grasp on what the issue is. So because of that bonding, we're able to actually come and enjoy the workday and be a successful team.